Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can provide free shipping to your customers that buy any product from your online WooCommerce store. And in this tutorial, I'm going to specifically teach you how to provide free shipping if your customers are buying a product over a certain amount. So right now you can see the order amount is 34 pounds. And right now you can see the shipping options are only two: local pickup, that is free, and they can visit your store and pick up. And the second option is a flat rate of £5. Okay, so if the customer increase their order amount more than $40, so I will just increase the quantity of this order, so the amount will increase for this order. You can see the free shipping option has been enabled for this order. So you can either provide it like this, or if you are running like a special promo or something, and even if the order amount is less than £40, you can see the free shipping option is not enabled anymore because the order amount is less than £40. So you can provide a free shipping coupon codes like this. Okay, and when your customers will apply this coupon code, so even if the total order amount is less than £40, the free shipping coupon code, free shipping option will be enabled for them. So let's learn how to do it. And so first I will go to my WordPress dashboard, and from here go to WooCommerce settings. Okay, so from here make sure that you have selected this, configured this options properly, your selling locations. Okay, and once you have done that, just set the selling locations where you are selling, and then save your changes here. Okay, and once you are done, go to shipping. Okay, and from here we will create the shipping zone. Basically, shipping zone is you are creating shipping rules, how much will be the pricing and all for this specific location. So in the zone name, you can name anything. This is just for your reference. Let's say your local area is, or the location where you want to provide free shipping is Arizona. Okay, I'm just using this for reference. Okay, and in the next region, you can select the region here where you want to provide free shipping. I'll search for Arizona here. Okay, you can also add multiple locations here and also limit this zone to specific zip codes and all that. Okay, so and then once you have selected the region where you want to provide free shipping, you will have to select the shipping method. Okay, so click here, and first we will provide a flat rate. So let's add that. Okay, here, then edit it. So let's set the flat rate to £5. Okay, and then save changes. £5, 5 USD, whatever is your local currency set. Okay, and once you have done that, then add another shipping method. And this time, if you want, you can also offer local pickup. So let's say I also want to offer local pickup, so a customer can now place the order online and pick up the order from the store. So I will also add this, and then again I will add another shipping method, and this time it will be free shipping. Okay, just click on add shipping method, and then go to free shipping and click on edit. Okay, from here we will select the criteria when the order will be eligible for free shipping. So we want to provide free shipping if a customer buys a product over a certain amount. So let's say it's £40. So I will set it a minimum order amount or a coupon code. Okay, you can also set it valid a minimum order amount only, but I would say just set it to like this, and it will be much more flexible, and it gives you much more flexibility. So if there is like a season sales or something going on, you can provide or a customer contacts you for free shipping, you can provide them this code. So it will be nice. Okay, so now set your minimum order amount here. Let's say I will set it to 50. Okay, and then this option, if you take this option, apply minimum order rule before coupon discount. Okay, so what will happen is let's say the minimum order amount we have set is £50. Okay, So, and we are also running a sale, and we have provided customers a 10% discount. And the customer goes to our website and buys item for £50, but they apply the coupon code, so they will get a £5 discount. So the order value will be 45. And so if you want the $45 order value to be also be eligible for free shipping, so you can click this option. This what it will do is the minimum order amount, which was before applying the discount coupon code, will be considered. Okay, so I will not do that, and then click on save changes. Okay, so that's it. And then what I will do is, let's go and check this on our website. Okay, so I will change the address here, also remove this coupon code. Okay, so the order amount is 34, and I will change the address here. Address is US, and here I will set it to Arizona. Okay, and then update it here. So you can see right now the order value is £34 only, and we have set the minimum order amount for free shipping £50. So the free shipping option is not enabled right now. So if I increase the cart value to more than £50, you will see the free shipping option has been enabled automatically. So your customers can select this. Okay, so that's the basic tutorial. And now we also want to provide a free shipping coupon codes. Okay, so if a customer specifically requests for it or something, you know, you would like to have an option. So for this, we will go to marketing, and here go to coupons. Okay, okay, so we will create a free shipping code. Click on add coupon, whatever you say. And let's you can also generate a random code, or you can create code like this: free ship demo. Okay, so you can also add a description here that will be visible only to you. That's optional, so just in discount type, select fixed card discount, keep the coupon amount 0, and take this option, allow free shipping. Okay, so if you want, you can set the expiry date, but I will not do it. Okay, and you can also make some like the minimum usage restrictions. So let's say you want also provide free shipping below for £50, but still the minimum order amount should be like $20. Okay, and then you can these are more advanced options if you want to apply it, this coupon code, only on selected categories or products and all that. Okay, so in this tutorial I will not go into that. And you can here select usage limits. So if you want to limit how many times this coupon code can be used in total, this is the first option. Let's say you can set it like 100 times this coupon code can be used, and then it will expire. Or you can limit per user. So let's say you want to provide user should be able to use it only 5 times. You can do that. Okay, so like that. And I will leave everything to blank and then publish this. Okay, so now let's test this coupon code. I will copy it, and here I will put it, apply. Okay, so now you can see the free shipping coupon code has been applied, and the free shipping option is also enabled. So this is how you can provide free shipping to your customers. And if you're worried that you will have to set zones for each location you are shipping to, then you will not have to do that. And for that, you will have to again go to WooCommerce settings, go to shipping option, and WooCommerce allow you to basically set, you can either set zones and then create specific shipping rules for that. Let's say here you can see I have created different rule for New York. For Arizona it is different, and for all the zones I have not covered. So you can see that option here, locations not covered by your other zones. So basically all other states in the US or wherever I'm selling to, will use this shipping method. So you can click on it here, and basically if you want to provide free shipping to every location, you can set the flat rate here first, basically what we did earlier, and then here's set it to a minimum order amount or a coupon, and then set the minimum order amount here. So no matter where what the location is, your customers will get free shipping. Okay, so that's it guys for this video, and I hope this was helpful. So if you have any doubts or questions, you can post in the comments. And bonus content for you will be to learn how to provide use pop-ups. You must have seen the pop-ups when you are about to leave a website, you are about to close a website, you see a pop-up. So you want to learn how to use that and increase your sales, you can watch my other video. And if you have any other more WooCommerce queries, or there are a lot of tutorials, you can watch my WooCommerce playlist. Or if you want me to make a video about some topic, post that in the comments, and do let me know how you like this video, if it was useful or you would like me to improve anything. So that's it, and I will see you in the next video.